Selling on TikTok, here's how to get Amazon to ship every order for you. So first, you want to make your listing on TikTok, of course. And what happens right here is when somebody purchases from our TikTok, Amazon gets automatically notified and ships the product directly to the customer. Amazon will even put the tracking number directly into TikTok. So I don't have to fulfill anything. I just use Amazon to do it. Now, of course, it's all set up. You have to make sure the same seller SKU on TikTok is the same seller SKU on your Amazon account. Now, on your Amazon account, you need to make sure everything is good and you do have FBA inventory. Once you do that, you've got FBA inventory, SKUs are the same, your listing set up on TikTok, your listing set up on Amazon. It's time to just Google the tool to do this and to communicate with TikTok and Amazon, which is called Mapmychannel. So just Google Mapmychannel, then you're just going to click on it, and then you're going to sign up for free, click login, and then you're going to click sign up in the bottom. So once you sign up, let's do it together. And then once you sign up, all you have to do is connect your TikTok first. So click on TikTok and then connect your TikTok. And then the second part is you're going to connect your Amazon. So that way, this tool is going to help your TikTok communicate with your Amazon, and it's going to look something like this. So when an order comes in, you're going to have access to this page. It'll say accepted. You can view the order on TikTok. You can view the order on Amazon, but this tool communicates with TikTok and Amazon. You can see the order. You can make sure everything's shipped and everything is good to go, which is awesome. There's also an integration right here, so you can make sure the orders are synced, inventory synced, tracking synced, right? So everything's automated. You can also manage different shipping methods. Amazon, I believe, has 3 different multi-channel fulfillment shipping methods: slow, medium, fast speed, up to you. And you can click this edit button right down here. So that way Amazon ships it in a blank box. So that way the TikTok customer isn't like, did I order this on Amazon? Where'd this come from? You ship it in a blank box. Amazon does it for you. Easy as 1, 2, 3. You can also go to plans, and they do have a free plan. So just get started on the free plan. That's all you need. And then you can always upgrade if you're generating a lot of different sales. Now, if you need a bigger tutorial or you need help selling on TikTok, just go to our website and then go to courses. The link is in the description below. We do have a course with a step-by-step guide on how to sell on TikTok Shop, how to connect your Amazon account to TikTok in depth, and how our clients were able to make $1 million using TikTok, right? So it's a great little guide if this guide wasn't enough for you. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon or TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, expanding to TikTok, or anything else mentioned in this video, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to manage your Amazon account, help you expand to TikTok, eBay, Walmart, Etsy, and more, and also manage those accounts to help you with advertising, increasing sales, design, and much, much more. This way you can spend time working on your business and expanding your business while we're working in your business. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.